Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simple hardware causes. Check power connectors, display cables, and that the card is fully seated. Once done, boot into safe mode or the recovery environment to prevent the current driver from loading. Make sure you note the GPU model, current driver version, and Windows build because you will need precise files. This avoids installing incompatible drivers later. You're taking control of the environment, so software fixes won't be fighting a faulty connection or mismatched components. Next, remove any corrupted driver remnants. Run Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to clean drivers and related registry entries. Once it finishes, reboot and install the latest WHQL-certified driver from your GPU vendor or use Device Manager to perform a clean install. Do not rely on Windows Update alone. Meanwhile, reset BIOS settings related to PCIe and integrated graphics, and confirm Windows graphics settings and power plans favor performance. These steps ensure the driver and system settings align so the adapter can initialize correctly. To finish, verify the fix by testing the GPU in a different PCIe slot or another machine. This isolates hardware faults. Make sure motherboard chipset drivers and Windows updates are current, and apply GPU firmware updates if provided, because compatibility often depends on both ends. If the adapter still fails to initialize, collect event viewer logs and DXDiag output, then attempt a system restore to a working point or a clean OS reinstall. If that doesn't help, replace the card. Persistent failures usually indicate hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.